Good morning, Gators. I'm Mr. Miller, and you're watching Good Morning ALES. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Today's weather will be partly cloudy. The high temperature will be 54 degrees, and there is no chance of rain. Might be a great day to get outside for a bit, at a safe social distance, of course. There is a microscope object at the end of announcements today. Feel free to leave comments on the Facebook pages with your guess, or you can email me at tmiller@alcsny.org. April 20th is Lookalike Day. They say that everyone in the world has at least one other person that looks just like them. Do you know who your lookalike is? I've gotten quite a few illustrations for my Flamingos Don't Wear Underwear story. I would love to see more, especially some of your other animals. We are all set on penguins, so lions, hyenas, can't even think now what other animals were in the story, but I would love to see more. Again, you can email those to me, and I'll put together a video book. So that's all for today, everyone. Be well, Gators. All one. Hello.